How do you know? What people want is smart, don't they? Cock jokes. Cock jokes. No, don't look so nervous. I know you like cock jokes. I mean, who here likes knob gags? Do you like knob gags? Do you like knob gags? Anyone else like knob gags? Seriously, I have got the best knob gag in the world. I'm not joking, it's got everything a knob gag should have. It's complicated, it's got more than one part to it. It is ultimately going to go much deeper than most knob gags ever do. And, like a good knob gag, it will keep you quiet for a bit. Ready? Do you want the world's best knob gag? Yeah. Here you fucking go. That's right, we don't actually need comedy, we just need fucking sex toys now, isn't it? Anyway, guys who are looking nervous, don't tell me you like a knob gag until you've put this on. Anyway, I'd like to say you've been a great audience, but quite frankly that would be a massive fucking lie. So, fuck you and good night.